Christmas is coming up, Yuletide is in the air. All the smells and flavors of Christmas are rushing back into my mind. I'm going to be making cranberry duck. What we have here is leek, and this provides the umami, and carrots, the sweetness. And we all know that Christmas dishes typically are a combination of savory, which is umami, and sweet, carrots. First, add some sunflower oil. I'm just waiting for the oil to heat up. I'm going to add some leek now. Here's a tip. Use leek instead of onions. It'll give a different flavor profile. Now to add some carrots. We need to really cook this down, let it caramelize properly. One of the important things when you're cooking onions or leek or garlic is to make sure that it's cooked down properly. I'm going to add some salt because that will help caramelize the leek. Now we're going to be adding in some pancetta. This adds an additional layer of flavor to the dish. The pancetta, the carrots and the leek are properly cooked down now, so I'm going to add in the duck. Now this duck has been pre-cooked and braised in stock and then cubed. In it goes. And we have to properly coat the duck with all that leek, carrots and pancetta. Now I'm going to flambe some brandy over the duck. I'm going to add in some mustard. Here's a bouquet garni of sage and thyme. And bring out the flavors of the duck. Why limit yourself to traditional Christmas fare? There's so many Christmas dishes from all around the world. And dishes like this, which my grandma created. It's a fusion of Chinese style cooking with Christmassy flavors, and it turns out wonderful. Worcester sauce. In Asian cooking, old school Asian cooking in Singapore and Malaysia, Worcester sauce is a staple. And this provides that little bit of sourness. I'm going to season it with some black pepper. Now I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of red wine. I'm just going to add everybody's favorite Christmas spice, allspice. When you smell allspice, you think of Christmas. We need to add in the cranberries. Cranberry duck, the star of the show. Relish stock is made old school. It's gently simmered in a pot for 24 hours. So this is a very, very gently simmered lamb stock. Now for the moment of truth. Christmas in a pot. I need another taste just to make sure. Clean spoon. Thanks, Grandma.